Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Python problem, and today's problem is that write a program in Python to take a string as input and print that string with every successive repetitive character replaced by $. For an example, suppose we take the string is parameter where double A and double R is present within the word parameter or within the string parameter. Now, second time when A or R repeatedly occurred within that string parameter, it just replaced by $. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through Pycharm IDE, I will discuss today's Python problem. Okay. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu, and today I will discuss another Python problem. And the Python problem is that to take a string as input and print that string with every successive repetitive character replaced by $. Okay, suppose we take a string as input like parameter. This parameter string contain 2A and 2R. So next time when A and R will encountered, it will be replaced by $. Okay, so this problem I will solve through Python IDE Pycharm, and we already opened the file and put the name ex2.py. Okay, so at first we take the input, whatever the string we want to convert this particular logic, whatever I am going to discuss for today's problem. Okay, so just write s equal and just write input within parentheses and within double quote just write enter a word. Okay, because word is taken as a string, we know, and after just write here s underscore k is the another variable we take, and just we write in that way s within square bracket just write double colon -1. It means we just reverse the string which is taken as input, okay, and which is stored within the variable s underscore k, and then we take another variable I equals 0, and then just write another variable s1 equal double quote open close. Okay, and then we just use a for loop for x in s underscore k colon, and then we check a condition if s underscore k dot index, and then write index method and send the argument x here and check equal I and then put colon, and if this condition is true then we write s1 equal s1 plus x. That means we just concatenate because s1 here as a string. Okay, this is the if part, and now we write the else part here, and as a statement we just write here c equal and just write s underscore k within square bracket just write I, and then just write s1 equal s1 dot replace and just write c comma, so just write here within single quote $. That means we are replaced the successive repetitive character by $. Okay, and after just write s1 equal s1 plus x. Okay, so this is the else statement, and after we just write here I equal I plus 1 because this is the part of our for loop, and then outside of for just write here s2, we take another string and just write s1, and within square bracket just write double colon and -1, means again we reverse the last value of s1, means whatever the string stored within the s1 variable, again we reversed and store another variable s2. Okay, and then after that we just print this s2. means whatever the problem we are discussing today means required output or result will show within the console. Okay, so this program just stored within the file ex2.py. so just go to the run button and press run ex2. Just see, enter the word within the console. Suppose we put the word parameter parameter and press enter, and just see next successive whatever the character just replaced by dollar. So next A just replaced by dollar, and next E replaced by dollar, and next R is replaced by dollar. Means here in this parameter, this particular string or in word 2A, 2E and 2R are there. So every time next successive repetitive character for A, E and R respectively replaced by dollar symbol. I hope you have understood today's problem. Today's problem is very simple. Means we take a word or string as input and we just print the output of a resultant string with every successive repetitive character replaced by dollar. So if we want to replace by another character, so we can put any character for that case. I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have still some confusion, just write in the comment section. I will solve that problem. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. So today up to this. Okay, and bye bye.